I found out about this tool less than a week ago, but it seems to be getting some outstanding results, even without doing any of the work yourself. Just set up this tool properly, like shown in this video tutorial. Do nothing and collect your earnings. No credit card required. No investment needed. It works worldwide, and results can be seen really fast. But I just want to warn you, information shown in this video tutorial has not seen by the public before. So use this at your own risk. This is Hustleaholic, and welcome to the channel, where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video. Now, the website that we will be using is Buffer. This is over at thebuffer.com. This tool is going to grow your social media channels. Simpler social media tools for authentic engagement. It tells your brand story and grows your audience with publishing analytics and engagement platforms you can trust. This tool is used by businesses, entrepreneurs, and influencers to manage their social media accounts to grow organically. More than 75,000 companies are using Buffer, including Shopify, Huckberry, Food52, The Sill, Burrow, DressUp, and Spotify themselves. They have different tools that you can use, like mixing and matching their tools and build a plan that fits your workflow. People that use this tool can publish their content and analyze their campaigns, so they can grow their social media accounts properly and organically. They can measure their performance, create their reports, and get insights to grow reach, engagement, and sales. It's a tool that entrepreneurs and business owners use to get high returns on their investment. Cue on thumb-stopping content across your social media channels and enjoy up-to-date Instagram tools. It's a great tool to manage and grow your social media accounts. As you can see, this is what they say about the tool. Their customers say, Buffer has made sharing their story and building their brand on social media so much easier. And this is a guy from Huckberry. Here's also what you can get done with this tool. You can visually plan and schedule your social media campaigns. You can coordinate creative campaigns to drive engagement on social. I will show you exactly how this will make you money without having to do any hard work yourself. And no, it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, or selling your products, or building your brand. You can literally come over to this website as a complete beginner. Set up this properly, as shown in this video, and you will still be able to make a decent amount of money every single day. And I will show you proof that it actually works. Now, you can of course just come over to buffer.com and read more about all the benefits it can have for you. Read more about all the features that this website has. But it's just going to help you manage your social media accounts and grow faster organically. You will first need to go over to buffer.com. Click Get Started Now. This button right here, which will take you over to their pricing plans. But don't worry. You do not have to invest any money at all. You don't have to spend any money at all. You can literally start with as low as $0. Even if you only have $0 in your account, you can still do this. Let me show you how. Even if you use their cheapest plan, that's a professional plan, that's still going to allow you to grow 8 different social channels, which is really decent, and I'm going to show you why you don't need any money to start this, and why you will not be spending any of your money on this. Just click the Start a Free 14-day free trial, and you can sign up with no credit card. You don't have to give any of your details to them. As you can see, you can sign up in less than 60 seconds. Right here, you can have all the analytics of your social media channels. You can create the new campaigns. You can schedule posts, and you can review campaign performance and hit your goals, so you can grow faster and much more. Before we get going with this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment down below. So how can you actually leverage this tool to make over $300 a day? Well, here's exactly what you can do. You can use some of the freelancing websites like fivesquid.com, and this is a really similar platform to fiverr.com, a freelancing website where everyday people like me and you provide all sorts of different services. For example, on fiverr.com, this type of service, social media management, and content creator service is selling for $550 for only 4 accounts, and with a $15 per month account on buffer.com. You can actually manage 8 to different accounts and get everything done for you without lifting a finger. Which means if you're selling it for the same price, you can charge $1,100 and cost only $15. So that's over $1,000 pure profit without lifting a finger. If you buy an even more expensive plan on buffer.com, you can manage more accounts and earn even more money. But the reason we are not using Fiverr directly is because there are a lot of different people selling this type of service on fiverr.com. So it's kind of oversaturated. It's not really easy to get established and to get sales as a complete beginner. Of course, if you want to maximize your results and hopefully get even more sales, then you can definitely boost your gigs on Fiverr as well. To prove that this actually works and that you can actually make money with this, I'm just going to show you that this person alone has over 43 feedbacks in this gig, which means she got a lot more than 43 sales because not every person that buys a service will leave a feedback. So, she probably made a lot of money with this gig alone, and she's not only person selling this type of service in Fiverr. If you go over to search bar, you can search for social media account management, and you will be able to see that there are over 28,000 services, and all these people are getting sales. And you can see how many sales they have been getting. Hundreds and hundreds of sales, and they're charging a pretty decent amount of money. But the difference between them and you is that they're doing the work manually. It takes them a lot of time and effort to complete the service, but for you, you will get it all done with buffer.com for $15 a month. Or if you buy an even more expensive plan, that means you'll be making more money and you don't have to invest any money up front. You can wait to get a sale, and if you sell one service for $550, this uses that money to reinvest $15 into buffer.com. So that way, you're not spending any of your money at all. You can start with $0 and still make a decent profit. Now, instead of selling your services on fiverr.com, because I just saw that it's pretty saturated, Fiverr, there are over 28,000 services selling. You can simply go over fivesquid.com or any other freelancing website like peopleperhour.com, truelancer.com, freelancer.com, or even upwork.com. Those are millions of people that are visiting freelancing websites every single day. Therefore, you can definitely get loads of sales in the social media marketing space. Now, the reason we are mainly using fivesquid.com is because this is a new freelance website and there are a lot of people coming to buy services from it. But there are not too many freelancers selling their services. So the demand is high, but the competition is really low because not a lot of freelancers know about this website. If you go to the search bar and search for social media marketing, you will be able to see that not many people are providing this service. There are some, but they're not 20,000 services like on Fiverr. What I highly recommend you to do is get started with fivesquid.com by clicking the Join button right here. You can sign up by manually entering your email address, or you can sign up with Facebook, Google, or Twitter, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just one click of a button. Once you create an account, just click on the Seller button right here and click Create a Service. You can publish your own service. To do so, you'll just enter a title. You'll select your pricing plan, you will select a social media marketing category, and fill out all the other details about their service. The more freelancing websites you provide your social media marketing service, the more money you will make. So be sure to use all of them. That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleaholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.